Want to organize your sales process more effectively in Pipedrive? Creating a custom pipeline helps you track every opportunity from the first contact all the way to a closed deal. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to create and customize pipelines in Pipedrive. First, log into your Pipedrive account and navigate to the Deals section. This is where you'll find your existing pipelines and sales stages. Next, locate the Pipeline Management option. Depending on your account layout, you may find it in the Pipeline drop-down menu or within your Settings area. Click the option to create a new pipeline. Enter a name that matches your sales process, such as business sales, client acquisition, or lead management. Now add the stages that represent each step of your sales journey. For example, you might create stages like new lead, qualified lead, proposal sent, negotiation, and closed. You can also assign probability percentages to each stage. These estimates help Pipedrive forecast potential revenue based on where deals are located in the pipeline. After configuring your stages, save the pipeline. Your new pipeline will immediately become available for managing deals and tracking opportunities. Once deals are added, you can drag and drop them between stages as they progress. This gives you a clear visual overview of your sales activity. Remember, pipelines aren't permanent. You can edit stages, rename them, add new steps, or remove old ones whenever your sales process changes. And that's how to create pipelines in Pipedrive. So a well-structured pipeline can make it much easier to track opportunities, manage deals, and improve your sales workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.